up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another unboxing. As mentioned previously, it is detailing season, so this time we're going to be taking a look at an upholstery cleaner. So this is the Bissell Spotclean Pro. So this is one of the most popular portable carpet or upholstery cleaners that is on the market today right now. And it is Bissell's own most powerful portable upholstery or carpet cleaner. All right, cool. So we're finally in. So with this, you do get a 2-year warranty on it, which is nice. And then the rest we'll just talk about once we get in here. All right. So you've got a 40% off coupon, you got your instruction manual, and then your registration for your warranty, or I'm most likely assuming you can do it online, or you can even text a number to get your warranty. So we've got your large tool there, so that's a 6-inch tool, and then a 3-inch tool. So got your nice little scrubbers. So this would be great for like large trunk spaces or large mats that are inside the car or that can come out. And then this is great for seats and around seats in order to get the best cleaning. And again, like all this is versatile, so if you need to use something like this around the house, you absolutely can. And then you got your small little sample formula of their Max Clean and Protect with Stain Protect. Ooh. And then as we get in here, and that's it. Wow. I was expecting a few more things after doing the steamer unboxing, which if you didn't check that out and want to know what type of steamer I'm using, I'll be sure to leave the link to that video in the description below. So your whole unit weighs roughly about 13 pounds, just a little bit heavier than that. Oh, nothing is locked in. So you got this and this. So this thing holds up to 3/4 gallon, and then you've got your clean water tank here and your dirty water tank here. You can see here's your full line. So try not to go above that, and then on here it tells you where to fill up to. And then if you want to add any solution in here, or you can just prime the surface that you're going with, use a scrubbing brush like drill attachment, and then come back over with this product, or one of these rather. And then this is where you fill up your water, and then you twist that back on. So your hose length is 5 feet, and then you get about a 20-foot cord for your power cable, which is not rolled up, which is kind of surprising. So I guess I'll do that here in a little bit. But as you can see over on this side as well, you have your power button, which is a good thing that it didn't turn on since it's not plugged in. And then right here is a filter. Just says to wipe regularly, so that way it doesn't get clogged. Other than that, pretty simple design. Like, there's not a whole lot to this thing. I've just seen a bunch of people, car detailing and also people for home use, are saying that this is one of the best ones that they've ever used. So I was like, I want to try it. So that's what we'll be doing here in the near future. I will be doing some test videos, and then hopefully this will become part of my actual arsenal. Over here on the side where you have your trigger and your handle, it's nice that it locks in like that. Then you just flip up, or you can flip down and then take this thing out. Here's your little water nozzle right here, so that way you can spray. And then finally, your brush attachments are pretty easy. You just come in and snap on like so. And then to get them off, or if you need to switch them, you just press down on this little detent button right there, and it slips off, and boom. Now you can move on to the next job. Relatively simple design. Like, the only thing that kind of bugs me a little bit is the handle feels really cheap and the base of these feel a little cheap. So hopefully I'm not breaking these. But yeah, then when you're done, you just put it back in here like so. If you want to, like if you're, you know that you're always going to be using like the small nozzle, just put that there, toss this in a closet or something like that, and then you're good to go. As far as putting these things back in, that is the wrong way. So this one will come down onto the Bissell logo side for your dirty water. And then for your clean water, you just want to make sure that this is seated properly down in this little area right here. And for that, you just go ahead, press down, and that's it. That's super simple. I like that. I think we covered pretty much everything on here. So this says rotate over tank to unlock lid. So if you're getting ready to empty out your water and whatnot, rotate this over the tank, and then you can unlock, pour out, and then make sure you rinse this out after you are finished with your job. And then once you're done with that, it's probably still back on, and then you're good to go. Wow, that was a lot of ruckus. Alright, so yeah, that's going to take care of this unboxing. It was pretty easy, probably one of the most simplistic unboxing videos I've ever done. There's just not a lot inside the box. Everything's, you know, nicely built in here. You've got your power button, your power cord, your hose, and your 2 accessory scrubbers. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said before, like we'll be testing this here in the near future, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so that way you know when the video comes out for testing the Bissell Spotclean Pro. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you've used this before, let me know in the comment section below. But other than that, that's going to take care of it. We'll see you next time. Okay, bye.